Hello, I'm Hollis from Hollis's IC Lab, and today I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm doing a review of the RenCam 2, which you can see I have right here. I got this about a week ago, and been using it and filming a little bit with it. I've been putting on like my RC planes and stuff that I've been building, which you'll be seeing a video for an RC plane that I built from flight test, like in the next day or two. So look forward to that, and I mounted this on that. So this camera's a really good camera. It comes in this nice box right here, which has quality foam to protect it. Then it also comes with like a charger and stuff, which I've already gone over in the unboxing video, which probably came out the day before this video. And it has an app that you can do, so it has like some Wi-Fi kind of FPV, but that's not recommended to do for FPV at all, and it needs actual Wi-Fi to do it, because it's super laggy. So basically, it's not really made to actually fly with. I mean, you can like change modes and the quality of the video and stuff with it. I would show you, except I'm currently using my phone to record, so I kind of can't show you the app, so sorry about that. But to turn it on, you just hold this. You'll just hear a beep. You can turn on the Wi-Fi by clicking the Wi-Fi button. It'll beep right here, and that will connect it to your phone, but as I've already told you, I'm using my phone to record, so I can't do that. So I just turned off the Wi-Fi. Then to record, yep, wait, no, I just turned it off. Okay, okay, here's my first homemade SD card. Let me just record this. You short press this, and we'll just record this. So yeah, I'll put this up on your screen. The video that I recorded hopefully turned out well. I'm sorry if it didn't. Then you just call it again to turn it off. Then you can longer press to take a picture. No, wait, I started recording. I started recording again. And that takes pictures, so I'll also put that up on your screen so you can see the quality. And I started a video, so. And then you just long press again to turn it off. So I'll just play some footage I've recorded from an RC plane and stuff, and you can see the good quality of it. So this is basically a really good camera. It costs only like $80, and then you have to buy like an SD card too, a micro SD card too, unless you already have. So basically, it's a really good camera to give. You don't have too much money, but you want good action camera. I'll leave it linked in the description. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and that's all for this video. Bye.